ब्रो मैं रात को 2 बजे 1 बजे आइसक्रीम पेल रहा है ब्रो.
मैं भी.
क्या चल रहा है
Bavarian
life में?
chocolate. Straight
गुआवा
from the bowl.
गुआवा ग्लोरी.
बाप.
थ्रेप्टिन क्लासिक फ्लेवर.
और तो क्या तू एक 12 साल का बच्चा है जो वेट पुट ऑन करना चाहता है?
मैं एक 19 साल का आदमी हूँ जो वेट पुट ऑन कर रहा हूँ.
और मैं
19
एक 12 साल का बच्चा जिसका वेट पुट ऑन हो गया.
और मैं तुम सबका बाप हूँ.
क्या कर रहे हो चूतिए लोग?
तू क्या
ओह फक.
आइसक्रीम से तू सॉरी फोर्क से तू आइसक्रीम खा रहा है. मैं बोलने वाला था
That's-
आइसक्रीम से तू फोर्क खा रहा है.
that way you end up
Comedy.
having less comedy.
नहीं रे, आदर वीगन है ना, तो उसका आइसक्रीम में भी सब्जी है, तो वो फोर्क से खा रहा है.
Oh.
बाबा,
Vegan
Other,
vegan
if your
chocolate.
reason for eating it with a fork is so that you eat less of the ice cream, then why don't you try eating it with a baseball bat? or a barbed wire.
और
Guys, what's your diet plan? Just try to eat with a baseball bat. It works.
or just put it
Eating
in the
spaghetti.
fridge and not eat it. It's another option. of
That's the
eating
best way
less.
to
Never
not
an
eat it.
option.
Is to not eat it. Chalo. Oh, brain freeze. Whew. चल.
ब्रेन फ्रीज की फ्रेम फ्रीज, क्योंकि वरुण है तो मालूम नहीं क्या.
Hello and
Rope
welcome to
freeze.
another episode of the Internet Sex Show. A show where we take random institutions, weird absurd facts, science trivia, and our personal stories, and we talk about it. And
Oh.
today's episode is on reality shows. And we must tell you guys, you can see it in Kautuk's fucking clock. It's 1 a.m. और हम लोग मरे हुए हैं और कैसे तो शुगर रश बॉडी में लाके ये पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं.
डेडिकेशन.
तालिया.
में 25 ग्राम शुगर है ये आइसक्रीम में. It's not healthy at all.
एक्चुअली ये पॉडकास्ट एक रियलिटी शो है. हम लोग जो
Yeah.
इस
Making
वक्त
of
कर-
the
But this is
podcast
what
should be a
reality
reality
shows are. Yeah, the reality show is essentially like 100 hours of content shot to make a 30-minute
other,
episode.
which is basically all your facts, which I have to edit.
It's just 30 hours. 30 hours of facts condensed into a 90-minute long podcast.
That's so anyway, we won't be talking about Big Boss because we've done a whole fucking episode on it.
And Adar's
And-
dad has done Big Boss.
Yeah.
We've gone the
Done
whole
and
hog.
dusted. Yeah.
You fully
Not only
committed
did we
to
not
the
did we
topic.
not talk about the podcast, not only did we not talk about the topic, we put somebody from our family in the damn thing.
In the bloody thing. I was hoping to avoid Bhai. Like now Bhai has come right up top.
But
Arey, nobody mentioned bhai.
yeah,
Now,
you
now
just
Bhai is there.
Bhava, Adar has heard a phantom mention of Bhai somewhere.
No,
And
no,
he
Adar,
started-
I know how
Other
Adar,
went there from Big Boss, dude. He
Yes.
went from
Big
Big Boss
Boss.
there.
भाई ने एक न्यू ट्रेलर डाला है of his साला. Is it his साला? Like
Antim.
no, dude, he's in it.
He's
Bhai is
also
in
in
it.
Sala plays for
Bhai is also
Liverpool,
in it.
guys.
Yeah,
Ah.
but he comes and he punches Bhai, and Bhai is Sardar, and he holds it. And that's
What are you talking about?
in this new
Yeah.
movie trailer that Bhai is dropped today, dude. Fucking stay with the time, dude.
Radhe.
No,
No,
it's called Antim.
Antim.
Somebody comes to punch Bhai and Bhai, who's a Sardar, holds it.
It's not
It's
somebody. It's
it's-
apparently this one's husband, Arpita's husband. Is that? Am I right? Am I wrong?
Yeah. That's it.
Public-
Correct.
Public memes
It's-
बनाना चालू हो गया, पता है क्या? Like
Oh.
the brother-in-law के उस पे डाला है Indian government और भाई farmer.
Farmer. हाँ. But
Guys,
Anyway,
हम लोग ने
talking
भाई
about-
के ऊपर कैसा क्या है यार?
that's
Other
a moving on from Bhai to reality shows.
Hmm.
क्या कौन सा फर्स्ट मेमोरी ऑफ रियलिटी शो तुम्हारा? क्यों फक ये रियलिटी शो ऐसे ही होते?
The first time
I didn't know
recognized-
that they were called reality shows. I didn't know
Yeah.
when I saw them. We
So-
didn't know that they were called reality
Yeah.
shows. I can give you an
Hmm.
example. Crystal Maze.
That was so much fun, dude.
Wow.
हाँ, meaning वैसे तो Nickelodeon पे सारे shows, dude.
Takeshi's Castle.
Yeah, all of that.
Takeshi's Castle was the bomb. But our
Dude,
Takeshi's Castle
even if
memories are Javed. Javed
No,
Jaffri.
I'm saying
That's
you
because
look
we
at
don't know
that-
Japanese.
No, I'm saying you also take a look at the original versions. Like if you take a look at ye hai Antakshari, close up. I mean that's also
Yeah, that
kind
is
Dikane
a
of
reality
Parwane
show.
Mastane.
Boom. Yes, you're right.
And
It's a
when the
reality
ratings
show.
started to drop, there's Afsane for no
Yeah.
reason.
Dude, can you
Anjane.
believe there was a
Anjane.
time, dude, there was a time when they just asked like normal people to come on a show and sing. What the fuck? You don't have to be like a, like a amazing singer. There weren't multiple rounds. There wasn't
Are you
Himesh
calling
Reshammiya
Anu
saying,
Kapoor and Durga Jasraj normal people?
no, dude, the जो
इसमें नहीं
दीवाने
बोलेगा.
मस्ताने परवाने के population थे.
Hmm.
It's just anybody. Like
Dude,
your
think about
chacha.
it. No, there was Bonvita quiz contest reality show.
Boom.
Technically, yeah.
Okay, KBC reality show. That for what was that Mastermind reality show. They're all we just didn't know that they were
Mastercard
called
Family
reality.
Fortune.
Yeah, reality show.
हमने 100 लोगों से पूछा कि उनका favorite mode of transport
Basically,
क्या था?
Family Feud.
Family Feud, but done by
Family
Roshan
Feud.
Abbas.
by
Roshan
Roshan
Abbas.
Abbas.
I
Yeah,
used to like
they were
it.
all reality shows.
I think वो reality shows का एक scene फटा जब I think ये roadies वाला scene था.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I think
That's the first time they were called.
That's when
I
it
think
just went.
before Antakshari there was another show. Oh, sorry, after Antakshari and before Roadies there was a show which killed it and started the genre. Really, is Saregama. So when Saregama happened, it was the first one to end up like close up
But
got
one second, nobody looked at Saregama and said अभी public को bike पे बिठा के गाली देने बोली.
Huh. How did that pitch come out of that?
सर इन लोग अच्छा गाना गा रहे हैं, काम कर बाइक लेके आ, नॉर्थ लेके जा और उनको बोल गाली दे, बोल मादर चोद.
Huh.
18 seasons later.
But the thing about Roadies was like it was, I think the reason like you feel like it's one of the first reality shows is because it was so weird that when you saw it, you were like, "ये सच्ची में हो रहा है." This is
But-
reality.
No, but the
But I
first
don't know.
5
Roadies was the
seasons are
first
I don't know
all
if you
Schadenfreude
guys-
provider.
I don't know
It
if
was
you
the
guys
first
remember this.
Schadenfreude provider.
The first season of Roadies was not bad. Huh?
Ayushman Khurrana, no?
I don't know that.
Yeah,
I think
so.
Ayushman
Yeah.
Khurrana won the first season. He won the first season of Roadies with Ayushman Khurrana.
Yeah.
No, yeah, no.
No, and that's the thing, right? Like any
Ranvijay.
franchise.
No, Ranvijay was not first.
No, I think it was Ayushman. I think it was Ayushman. But like the point is that every franchise begins with one decent thing and then it just devolves into Kachra Patti. Like
Yeah.
even for example, like you say the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the first movie is great. After that is just anything.
That's a correct comparison to Roadies.
Yeah, it's exact.
The Texas
exact
Chainsaw
comparison.
Massacre.
Can I
Like
also say, we've forgotten there was the VJ Hunt, which was a proper reality show because they broke down. There was an audition. Then you went into auditions. There was all those who were.
No, then you had your elimination rounds.
Yeah,
then
it was
आप
a
बॉम्बे
VJ Hunt.
जाएंगे, आप बॉम्बे जाएंगे.
Yeah.
Remember
ये
VJ Hunt?
इसके
Dude,
बदले-
मैं गया है वो VJ
तुम
Hunt के audition
बॉम्बे
में
आओगे।
बॉम्बे में.
तू पुणे गया था? What was the
नहीं,
show that you went somewhere, Thakur? तू कहीं घूम के गया था ना? You went to another
मैं
place.
Every
तेरे को
show,
अपने
every
reality
show.
show के personal stories
नहीं, नहीं,
बोलूंगा,
नहीं.
क्योंकि
Yeah,
मैंने किए हैं
he did
5.
audition in Bombay. He went
5?
somewhere else.
तूने
Dude,
कौन
Kautuk
से
has
कौन से
written
पांच?
reality shows also. Huh.
Yeah, I've been in one also by the way, which I'll tell you about, which I think
Yeah.
some people know about.
Hmm.
But तेरा क्या है पांच? Starting with Sid versus Varun.
नहीं, उसके पहले
That's
bro,
not a reality
पहले?
show. That was a sketch show.
उसके
Bindas,
पहले
Bindas.
there was a no Bindas was Sid versus Varun, not then. उसके भी पहले हम लोग कॉलेज में थे, मैं और तन्मय हम लोगों ने किया था MTV on the job as contestants. We did the advertising episode and the winner gets a internship with contract. That was the contract advertising.
Advertising.
और तन्मय में opposite team में थे और तन्मय's team had won.
Hey, hilarious if it was just a contract.
What does this say? All your money is belong to us. Okay.
No.
Thank you.
But Varun, I mean, it was pretty apparent that Varun would have never won anything with a contract in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Varun would be like, नहीं यार मैं तो दोस्ती में करता हूँ ये सब छोड़.
Yeah. It's
पैसे
like, यार
थोड़ी
क्या
चाहिए
है
यार.
contract.
Anyway, तो वो एक था, फिर एक शो था, it was called Champion Chalbaz or something like that. It was
Wait,
a
you
hunt for a prankster,
Oh, God.
judged by Cyrus Brocha and Sajid Khan.
Nice.
जिसमें भी थे मैं और तन्मय.
Wow.
He was also there. I don't know who ended up winning it, but I done that. Where as
So it wasn't you because I'm pretty sure you would have remembered it.
yeah, I didn't win.
Yeah.
The second round में out हो
Yeah.
गया. 4 राउंड थे, मैं सेकंड राउंड में आउट हो गया था.
Hmm.
Then I
No, but
did,
Bakra also was a reality show.
Yeah.
Technically.
Bakra was
yeah.
a prank show.
Which is why Rocha
technically,
also
yeah.
made it into this, was for that, and Sajid Khan because I don't know why. It
I was
funny.
watching some of the old Bakra episodes. They were fucking hilarious, man.
They were
Like
damn
एक दो जो भूत, वो जो औरत को भूत बना के रिक्शा वालों के पीछे भगाता है. It was like
Dude,
there was
no,
one.
the best one, the most classic one was he goes around, he's telling people कि भाई साहब मुझे पढ़ना नहीं आता है, इस पे क्या लिखा है, okay, and he hands a paper and they read it. ये आदमी पागल है, ये भागा है पागल खाने से, अगर आप इससे इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हो तो प्लीज स्टॉप. Okay, and people are reading it and they're looking at him.
But you know,
Fucking
he
classic.
had done a few things like 100 angry Japanese men. It's a common prank where a mob of 100 people runs towards
Just come
you,
run straight.
yelling, and then you're obviously going to get scared, and then they run around you and they go. Okay, and
Yeah.
you just feel like they go मारने वाले थे. So I did a version of that on Sid versus Varun. Okay, in one of the episodes,
Oh.
I went to Lokhandwala back road. I'm like, fuck, it's an homage to that
Lokhandwala
prank.
back road.
तो मैं
और as we
लोखंडवाला
called
back
it
road
in
पे
the
गया.
90s, budget नहीं है लेकिन outdoor shot चाहिए.
हाँ, always. And easiest to shoot क्योंकि open जगह है थोड़ा, ठीक है.
हाँ.
सिर्फ सुबह learners मिलते थे.
नहीं और आंटी लोग जो सलवार
आंटी
कमीज
लोग
के नीचे
अपना हाँ
sports shoes.
सलवार कमीज
Sports
स्पोर्ट्स शूज.
ठीक है, तो मैं बैक रोड पे चल के जा रहा हूँ, बैक रोड पे हूँ, and whoever is walking, right, I'm just going to go angrily running towards them, and as I come close, I'm going to turn around.
Hmm.
Same gang, but only done by me.
Hmm.
Now,
Wow, that-
the key to that prank is you need 100 people
Yes.
so that
Yeah.
the person ahead gets scared. मैं बोला,
Otherwise
चलना
they will
चाहिए,
just give you a chat.
कोई बुड्ढा अंकल चल के आ रहा है तो मैं भाग के गया हूँ हाथ में नकली तलवार लेके, ठीक है, thinking this old man who's walking with this woman is going to get scared. Bro, I came close, I'm like, ये चूतिया डर रहा ही नहीं है, but the cameras are rolling, ये चूतिया डर रहा नहीं है. Bro, I've come running, he's held me and he's तो मैं ही प्रैंक हो गया उसमें कि भाग के आया, मेरे को पकड़ के उसने फेंक दिया है साइड में. That's what made it to the final cut. That I tried to prank somebody, but I got fucked.
No, but also like this is such a Bombay thing, na, where you've seen enough crazy people that you're like, okay, one more.
yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just get out of my walking way. Also,
Yeah,
Varun,
meaning
you
आप
mentioned
ये किधर और करो भाई साहब.
फिर मैं किया था मिनट टू मिनट, याद है क्या, मिनट टू
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah.
और
Where you
उस
had
पे
to do-
मैं जीता 2.5 लाख रुपया.
क्या? For
Ooh.
reals?
dude.
हाँ.
Before,
And that's where
before
Varun
minute to
thought
minute,
maybe I should pick up a loan and go to abroad to study.
No, I use that
Money is
for
quite
3
easy.
installments. Yeah.
अच्छा.
before minute to minute, there was an Umang Kumar show called एक minute, anchor एक minute.
Oh
एक
yes, yes, I
मिनट में
remember.
क्या
I remember
करना
this
है
tune.
यार, समझ लो तुम. याद नहीं है? उमंग कुमार has done it.
I remember the tune. I remember this jingle, but I don't know
Love
क्या
it.
था show.
Great. Kautuk is just staring at me
एक
with
minute.
No,
absolute look at
एक
Kautuk.
minute,
He's
एक
been
minute.
I'm just going like minute to minute, or as it's called, my sex life.
You were waiting for me to finish
Yeah.
singing an Umang Kumar
Yeah. रुक जा,
jingle
रुक जा.
so you could do.
Get
Yeah.
this done.
And it's so long. You fucking went into a jingle and shit.
Yeah. But I didn't know that your joke was going to be shorter than your sex life. I didn't understand.
But you guys remember when they used to do Vijay Anto Thai, but they had finding an indie band.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Asma
Yeah.
and-
Yeah, yeah.
Viva.
Viva,
and,
all these things
Viva.
were like Viva
Viva.
and एक और था ना, Asma.
You know what would be so fucking crazy that like if the Asma and Viva and all just became legendary bands, and then you went back and you were like, man, they started here.
But one second.
But
Let's be honest.
Anushka Manchanda came out of Viva, right?
Yeah, Anushka Manchanda. Viva.
Ayushmann also,
Neha
but I didn't
Kakkar is.
forget.
Neha Kakkar is. Neha Kakkar is.
Oh yeah.
Pretty good.
So the Viva kind of figured.
No, not Neha Kakkar, Neha Bhasin hai wo.
Neha Bhasin. Sorry. Samir.
Okay,
Kabir,
then
correct,
points deducted from
Points
reality
deducted
show.
from Viva. Yeah.
Hey, but she's also sung quite a few songs.
Yeah. Neha Bhasin very good also.
तुम लोगों को मालूम है जब मैं बिंदास पे था ना, at that time emotional अत्याचार was getting launched.
Oh, dude, emotional
And
attachment.
I
I
had
want to talk
seen
about it.
मैं इंग्लैंड बोल रहा हूँ, यूएस में का एक शो था चीटर्स, उसका ये कॉपी अडेप्टेशन whatever you want to call it, inspired by ये था, ठीक है, and it became a big rage right when it came out because उसमें
Right.
वो है he's smooching me, वो वाला जो एक बहुत वायरल वीडियो ना, that girl, मैंने स्मूशीज, कभी वो मुझे किस करता था, कभी मैं उसे किस करती थी.
नहीं dude, अभी जो वायरल
Good
हुआ है
friends,
which
Bikini.
is
best
Bikini
friends
shoot.
for
Yeah,
life.
yeah, yeah.
It's
That
her
was
Bikini
second
also
wife.
emotional attachment. But the funny part is, it became such a rage that people started like, you knew, like for example, I was playing cricket. हम actual हुआ है, हम लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, सामने वाली टीम का एक लड़का है, and it's a different team. But the conversation on the ground is कि वो emotional अत्याचार के एक episode में burst हुआ है.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
so it was
that
real.
became the whole. Yeah. He got fucking screwed. I
Shit.
think
No,
honey
no,
trap,
emotional
and then
athyachar was not real. No, there was a lot of
It
like
was real.
family
In the first
attention.
season-
नहीं,
in the
there
first
was a lot
season-
of stuff that was.
in the first season it was because we were sharing the Sid versus Varun house with the emotional Atyachar people. As in, like, they would come there to shoot sometimes. So a lot of it was real, but it's also honey trap and catfish bhari.
Yeah,
where
yeah.
all these fucking kids, which is why season 2 or 3 they went straight up north. You know, that became a trajectory with most reality shows, where you only way a reality show will work is if you have Janta just coming for it. Right? And most shows set up north were getting that traction, whether it's Roadies, whether it's Splitsvilla, whether it's MTV channel. We had a show called Dare to Date or some shit. Right? You needed eccentric people who are willing to do anything on the show. That's what sells the
Dude,
reality show.
This is also true because when I was at MTV, Kautuk, you might know this because you've also worked there, so to speak.
So to speak.
Dude,
You had a legit job there.
Yeah, yeah.
no, he was a writer there. He wasn't. You weren't employed by MTV.
Yeah,
no.
writers never have legit jobs. That's true.
Yeah.
You were no. I'm saying you were contracted by MTV. You weren't working at MTV.
But I was working as an intern at MTV for a year.
Oh,
I was
okay.
fully there for a year.
So when I was at MTV, I remember, like, to me, like, anyway, I used to be like, अरे चल ना अभी खत्म हो गया रोडीज, कौन आ रहा है, क्या है ये वो. Dude, they took me to shoot one Pune audition, dude. उधर मेरा गांड फट गया.
This was
इतना
the bumpy
public
era
आया
and
ना.
all that.
No. Bumpy and all was right at the top. Like
Alright.
Bumpy was.
Bumpies will pay everybody.
You also joined MTV like later in.
Yeah. So there was that whole like I think they took me to shoot one Pune episode. मेरा गांड फट गया. वो लोग बोला bro ये कुछ नहीं है. तू चंडीगढ़ के ऑडिशन के लिए आ. Bro, there is. I'm not kidding you. Ranvijay has proper security.
Yeah.
Like legit security when he goes
Z
there.
plus.
Like Nikhil Chinappa, all the VJs have legit security. I have seen that line extend for days. It's not extending for hours or miles. It extends for days.
Oh,
It's pretty heavy.
the desperation to get famous. It does it boil down to just like what extent will you go to just have that 15 minutes of fame?
Absolutely.
Like, what is it?
And
So
think,
I think that there is a couple of sorry Kautuk, you want to go
no, I
then
was
I'll
just
say.
saying, I was just saying that you're absolutely right. And the thing is that's one of the things that reality shows gave you, right? Like that instant 1 minute mein, right? And it's a thing that other artists had to work for years to get to that point where
Exactly.
you get noticed, right? And all of us are still doing exactly that.
Yeah.
So
No,
yeah,
because
so
it takes
also
years
You're
of
not ready to
chiseling. Yeah.
make and drink ass juice.
yeah,
Yeah.
as juice.
Ass juice.
We've spoken about it.
We have? Okay, cool. Then I will not repeat the story. But you know what? I will. For all the people who've not heard it.
Yeah, you should.
Ass juice was one episode. I think it was Splitsvilla, was it?
It was Splitsvilla.
Splitsvilla.
There's a
Season
bunch
5,
of
I think.
grapes and fruits kept.
I don't know
like
I don't know the season, but I can tell you the year because the year
Sunny
was
Leone.
2013.
Sunny Leone was
2013 year, whatever season it was, I don't know.
So there's a sieve, big sieve with like fruits. Okay, so grapes and orange and this and that. And below that is a big jar. Now the girl has to sit in that bowl and then only using her ass, not her hands or her legs, has to squash the fruits so that juice comes from the sieve, which goes into the jar, and then you have to drink it.
The guy has to drink it.
The guy has
And
to drink
whoever
Yeah, guys.
whoever finishes like
Actual-
three mugs of it
Actual fucking thing.
Dude, we've spoken
Yeah.
about this. We've also spoken about it. I think let's just quickly do a recap of some old Indian ones which we liked, and then straight jump abroad, because otherwise we're again going to go into Skulls and Roses, Guns and Roses,
No, that's
Noise
fine.
and Makers.
Let's get some weird international shows. Kautuk
Okay,
के पास list
so
था ना?
I want to start with this one. Okay, since we were
Yeah.
on the topic of roadies, I want to start with a
रोटी
show
से याद
called
आया.
a show called Living on the Edge. Okay,
Yeah.
this is Pakistan's answer to the roadies. Okay, and it's worse apparently. So here what happens is that a popular
Is the
VJ in
article written
Pakistan,
by is the article written by an Indian?
yeah,
Of
Men's XP.
course.
Of course. That's why
No,
it's
but
worse.
there is also a accompanying clip, and it is quite hilarious.
Okay.
So popular VJ in Pakistan gets contestants to complete some daring challenges, like eating a poster, breaking a bat on your body, breaking
A
glass
bat?
panels on your
Cricket
head.
bat?
Yes.
It's
So-
a plastic bat.
No, it's
It's
a
fucking
fucking
wooden.
bat.
प्लास्टिक तो नहीं टूटेगा, वुडन का चांस तो है टूटेगा.
पब्लिक मार रहे हैं एक दूसरे को. बैट नहीं टूट रहा है, लेकिन आदमी जिसको तुम मार रहे हो वो तो टूट रहा होगा ना बैट की जोर से.
Then
तो नहीं तो बेसिकली आई वाज वाचिंग दिस क्लिप, उसमें एक बंदा बैठता है, ठीक है, और ये विजय पूछता है तो क्या करेगा तू फेमस बनने के लिए? सर कुछ भी करूंगा सर, कुछ भी करूंगा. ठीक है, कपड़े उतार. इसे बोलते हैं कास्टिंग काउच. और बंदा
Wow.
सीधा उठ के यस सर,
कपड़ा निकाल दिया.
यस, डाउन टू हिज बॉक्सर्स, एंड देन ही इज
let's
लाइक
talk about
बैठ जा.
roadies again.
Wow.
What I tell you. So
Dude.
there's a caption in this where it says, like they have these titles right in the middle of the show. So the title says, मौत मौत के मुंह से बच के जीना तो सभी चाहते हैं, पर मौत के मुंह में जीना वो होता है असली डेयरिंग.
मौत के मुंह में जीना.
So
Guys, I wanna
hardcore
live.
vibes,
I want to live in
hardcore
death's
vibes.
mouth.
On the edge.
Yeah, living on
Pakistani
the
roadies.
edge. So yeah, I mean this is not a like apna youths. Basically Pakistan and India ka the population is essentially the same, which is what you realize when you go abroad and you meet a Pakistani.
Yeah.
And you go like, अरे हमारा तो same है, politicians ही problem है. And so and it's the same thing, dude. Like the
And there's a
same-
podcast right now in Pakistan that is discussing how bad living on the edge is.
yeah. Yeah.
Where there are 4 dudes sitting eating
Oh,
ice
how
cream
bad
at
roadies is,
1:13.
na?
How bad
Roadies
roadies is.
Yeah.
And there are 4 dudes sitting and eating ice cream.
Yeah.
Huh.
So one is that. The second is I just to talk about roadies and Splitsvilla, right? The real, I mean, I want to really salute the people who come up with the tasks for these shows, because some of them, like like you were saying, right, as juicer and all this shit, like someone thought of it and then they said, okay, how do I make this happen? And then
What
they
thought
did
of
it.
it? Someone pitched it in a
Yeah.
conference room.
Understand there was a
In a
writer
conference
who
room, there were 6-8 people sitting there.
there was a
Probably
writer who
more.
was sitting down
And then one
and
person
like
said, "Sir, यहाँ से जूस निकलेगा." और फिर आप एक क्लोजअप मार सकते हो उस पे. और फिर,
Wait.
सर उसको पीना पड़ेगा सर. लड़की की गांड लग जाएगी.
There is a pitch meeting. That pitch meeting gets approved. Then there are seniors involved. Then in some cases there is a chairman, CEO type level person involved. Okay. In the middle of this, there is an internal legal team involved. Inside that, there's also a censorship team involved.
Dude,
this is all.
and-
This has
So
cleared
none of them
all
came
of
for
this.
this pitch meeting.
No, dude,
because
and-
it's ass juice.
All of
ass
this
juice.
has happened.
Guys,
No.
let's get on a call to discuss the ass juice concept. I think it will get us high TRPs.
Dude, and in all of this, the department that's missing is a medical team because they're like, ah, maro bat se bat. कुछ नहीं होगा."
Yeah, it's surprising no doctor was involved in this entire procedure. Like you never hear people going like, "Oh, there's safety." Like all the American or like Western like reality shows, if they're doing something like Fear Factor or something, they always point out there is a medical crew right here in case something goes wrong.
Dude,
You
हमारा
never
Fear
hear
Factor
that.
में तो होता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि अक्षय कुमार कुछ स्टंट करता है और रोहित शेट्टी गाड़ी उड़ा देता है. तो हमारे Fear Factor में क्या फर्क पड़ता है? कुछ है ही
Dude,
नहीं मेडिकल टीम की जरूरत.
I've realized
of
Fear
course
Factor-
मेडिकल टीम होगा उधर. थोड़ी उन लोग पब्लिक को
होगा.
लटका रहे उल्टा. सांप से कटवा रहे और कोई है
No,
नहीं
no.
बाजू में.
They're
Contractually, you
like
have
they
to have
know
it.
that number. Then they know the number of the ambulance. कि कुछ हुआ तो सबको
Phone
पता
I
करेंगे.
don't think so, Adar. I don't think so.
हाँ.
That dude, normal shoot पे medical rep on set है. तू क्या बोल रहे हैं?
They
ये
should
तो-
combine Fear Factor with another reality show where, so in every Fear Factor episode you
Adar
see
just wants us to get sued. हाँ, sorry, carry on.
nahi, so in every Fear Factor episode you see that the contestant is there, then they find an insect to put on this contestant. That's
Yeah.
most of Fear Factor.
Ah,
So they should combine it with the second show where you see guys from the pest control coming and eradicating pests from the set.
yeah.
Just भाई साहब इधर
But then
5,000
you lose-
cockroach है.
But then you lose all the producers, writers, directors, and talent
Yeah.
if they eradicate the
Nice.
pests from the set. Then
Nice. Nice.
बाबा के लिए
ये
काफी
बात है.
cathartic conversation.
Yeah.
नहीं, लेकिन you guys remember Who Dares Wins or what? Who Dares Wins?
yeah.
Where wasn't Joe Rogan doing it?
Yeah.
In
Joe Rogan
America,
hosted.
Joe Rogan used to host Who
Yeah,
Dares Wins.
he used to like he says it in his special also. It's like he
Joe
goes,
Rogan
he
and
gives
that
his
girl-
opinion.
And that Australian girl, what's her name? Paula something. She was in Bunty और Bubbly में एक scene में थी, bro.
Wow.
She is the one who buys the Taj Mahal.
Truly, who
really?
dares wins then.
Paula something I name it.
Hmm.
So Who Dares Wins, for those of you who know, all the bacha party watching it, was show where you could make quick money, where Joe Rogan, if I'm not mistaken, still was the host. He would go up to random people and give them a challenge, and they would win. Like, okay, so if you do this challenge, you win it, I'll give you $100 right now, or $200 right now. And the highlight of that episode used to be that one person will nominate his or her friend, and Joe Rogan will just show up, or the host, if it's not Joe Rogan, will just show up to the office, the house, or wherever, and take this person, and they stand a chance to win $1,000, $2,000, $3,000.
Ah, okay.
So we had great show. AXN पे आता था बहुत.
Dude, even that show which was the New York cab one, what's it called? The cab with the quiz, like you just answer quizzes on your destination. It was called Cash
But
Cab.
you don't know. But you don't know that you were answering.
But
No, you knew you were answering. You got in and it was Cash Cab.
dude, who
One sec.
dares?
Can I tell you about this one amazing reality show?
Oh god.
It's no. I'm not being sarcastic. Like I mean like a legitimate like
So
reality
Baba
show.
had his I came face. So it's
Yeah.
a good one.
So I think it's one of these. It's either Dutch or Swedish or it's Scandinavian or Dutch. One of the two.
Must be
Okay.
Dutch. Since,
बाबा
no.
कितना hipster आदमी है यार.
क्यों?
ये meaning I've not heard you like any recommendation you have now. So it's like some Nordic country or maybe it's from like the Papua New Guinea.
The
and-
American Baba. I got to know about it from the American version which Justin Bieber hosted, and then I saw the original.
Okay.
So that's the thing.
Other has died.
So it's called the call or something like that. I think it's called the call or the cell phone or something like that. This is how they sort of ran it. They issued an ad saying we're going to host a reality show in whatever next year or in 6 months or whatever. Please send us your entry if you want to participate. This is the waiver. This is your mobile number. Blah blah blah. Please give us all this. We will contact you once you are selected, and you have to participate. So it was a full on waiver.
Mm.
First episode, cold open, opens on a guy. He is sitting in a bar. Okay, he gets a call.
Mm.
He's with his friends or whatever. He gets a call. He's like, "Hi, you said that you would participate in this show. We have a task. Are you ready to do it? But you have to do it right now." He says, "Yeah." Gets out of the bar. Says, "Okay, you need to drive to this place." Gets out of the bar and he comes close to his car, and his car blows up in front of him.
What?
That's the cold open. And now his life is in danger, so he has to figure out who the fuck is trying to kill him and who's trying to escape.
This is a Black Mirror episode.
Dude,
Yeah.
what the fuck is this, Bawa? I should have actually. You know what? If Bawa said
His
he liked
car
the show,
blows up in front of him, is what you said.
Yeah.
so- and he didn't see this in the waiver. It wasn't
Oh, no,
written.
they
कि
said
आपका
no.
Alto को उड़ा देंगे हम.
No,
ये सब
no.
नहीं
So
लिखा था?
it is what it is.
Yeah, I
It is
think
what
एक
it
मिनट,
is.
तो एंड में उसको गाड़ी के पैसे मिलते हैं कि क्या है? बिकॉज अगर तू यूएस में कर रहा है, you're gonna get sued left, right and center.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is why in America it didn't happen. So in America it was called the phone, and I remember it was hosted by Justin Timberlake, not Justin Bieber.
Okay.
Bawa in
And-
America, it was called Who Dares Sues.
Uh,
Bas.
and and I was right. It was a Dutch show, reality show. Okay, so this is now I'm reading from Wikipedia. In each show, 2 cell phones will be hidden at random places by the producers of the show. The phones will start ringing, and the people answering the calls from that moment are the participant in the game. These two people have a chance of winning whatever, some 25 of collaborating for the hunt giving thing. The unique aspect of the show is that it's being filmed as being a movie rather than a reality show. It was inspired from movies like Die Hard with a Vengeance. So it basically was just like fucking like followed you and had the pace and the chase of that. It
तूने
was
देखा था
fucking
ये
insane.
that show?
नहीं 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 पागल है क्या? मैं रियलिटी शो थोड़ी देखा, पागल है क्या? नहीं. But
That's
no,
amazing.
that
मस्त
just
show है क्या? मस्त show है.
Dude,
देखा
एक
था
सेकंड,
नहीं?
ये इंडिया में होता ही नहीं क्योंकि रिसेप्शन ही नहीं मिलता फोन पे.
हाँ.
Meaning, hello sir, what is the task? Huh? What?
Hello?
Sir, my car just blew up. 1 second.
if it is Varun, then on this side he's heard half the task, and then by the time he's rolled over, he doesn't have the task.
Bro, there's
It's just the sponsor that would be so weird. Huh?
India में या किधर बाहर था? I think India they had a version of it where 2 people in each episode, okay, are randomly like one person goes to Adar, one person goes to Kautuk. Both of them, one is doing a show, others writing somewhere, whatever. You're not at home. If you make it in 45 minutes to the airport right now, you're going to get free tickets to go to Maldives. But the catch is you have to leave right now.
Great.
There is no like, oh, मेरे को ये, मेरे को नहीं. देखो अभी का अभी निकलना है. So you have to figure out how you get shit, how you get
Western
shit
Express
sorted.
highway पे ट्रैफिक.
हाँ. और ये show इंडिया में
टैक्सी
हुआ
से
था
निकल के
शायद.
भाग रहा है.
I think this show had happened in India. It's a foreign show, but I think they had a version of it in India.
Yeah, but it's not a reality show. It is fiction. It's fantasy
But
fiction.
dude, where in
There-
India?
there's a really-
Sorry,
huh.
for India you can, but where in Mumbai can you get from any place to any place in 45 minutes?
You can't. It's baat ka. Sir,
No,
please
unless your
come down from your
destination
building.
that you're flying to is Bandra. ठीक है.
Yeah.
हाँ, अंधेरे में. अभी क्या, अभी अगर तुम बैंड्रा पहुंचे तो नहीं सर, मेरे को 45 मिनट तो लगेगा.
But paisa,
अभी क्या
what is the
अभी?
win? What is the
No.
carrot? What is the dangling prize
Maldives.
there?
Maldives.
Maldives.
I mean, not just Maldives, whatever place, and some money.
Hmm.
And the fact that you get to be on fucking TV, bro. आधे लोग का गोली वो है कि मेरे को
But
TV
तेरे को
पे-
पासपोर्ट तेरे पास है कि नहीं है?
तू फोन करेगा, तू बोलेगा अरे वरुण एक काम करना, मेरे घर पे जा, मेरा पासपोर्ट ले और मेरे को एयरपोर्ट पे मिले, ऐसे कुछ.
और वरुण घर पे अपने
और
खुद
मैं
के
नहीं
घर पे
जाऊंगा.
जाएगा और फिर अपना ही पासपोर्ट लेके हेलो सर आई एम हियर फॉर मालदीव्स.
मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा, फिर प्रोड्यूसर बोलेगा किसको तो भेजना पड़ेगा, एक काम कर वरुण तू जा.
Nice.
बाबा नीले
पहला तो तू वरुण को फोन करेगा तो वरुण बोले मेरा पेट खराब है यार, अरे मेरा गला खराब है, मेरा
लेकिन-
बैटरी
क्या मैं
डेड
अभी
है.
उठाऊं? मैं
लेकिन
अभी
अगर तू
उठाऊं।
बोलेगा ब्रो मालदीव्स फ्री टिकट है, जाएगा क्या? मैं आ जाऊंगा, ठीक है.
आ जाएगा वरुण ऐसा नंगा चड्डी में आ जाएगा एयरपोर्ट. चल चल
और
let's do
मालदीव्स
this.
के लिए बेस्ट कपड़ा है वो, नंगा चड्डी.
What is नंगा चड्डी? But
हाँ,
what is नंगा
है
चड्डी?
because he's in chaddi. He's nanga. Like he's not full nanga, but he's nanga and in chaddi.
नंगा इनफ.
Yeah, half nanga. Half nanga.
Okay,
Okay, there's this one show adapted
फिलहाल
to-
का एक रियलिटी शो है that's happening,
हाँ.
which is मेरा 5% left off बैटरी है. We
Nice.
have to try and get as much done.
Okay, so there's this one show which is so there are really bad ones. There are really bad versions of successful shows. So the biggest loser, everybody knows the biggest loser. You got to lose weight
Weight
across
loss.
the
Other.
world.
इंडिया में
Oh.
सुनील शेट्टी था उसमें.
Yeah.
So now there is another one which was horrible because it was a version of Big Boss and Biggest Loser, where a bunch of people who are overweight are locked into a house, and the house the doors are literally too small for them to leave,
What? The
so they
fuck?
physically cannot leave the house
What a
unless they
fat
lose the
shaming.
Holy
they cannot
fuck.
leave the house unless they lose the weight.
I don't understand this thing about these new age reality shows, right? Like even if you look at the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, and you came down to even the Kardashians, or what was it, the Aussie
Fabulous
living
Lives.
keeping up with the Osbournes? No, the Osbournes one.
Yeah. Something.
Aussie
So
Oh.
I've seen bits and pieces. I've seen bits and pieces of these shows.
झूठ मत
Right?
बोल बाबा.
Huh? Oh, really?
पूरा
So,
पूरा सीजन चाटा है तूने.
नहीं. So मैंने Sex and the City पूरा चाट लिया, but
Very
not
nice.
this. So the thing with
Sorry,
I
just
don't
the
know.
sentence मैंने Sex in the City चाट लिया.
पूरा चाट लिया. What is
Sorry, overall that is.
So my problem here is that most
Your
of these
problem?
reality shows have a I don't know what it is that has made them all devolve, because there were competitive based reality shows for a very long time that succeeded, that did well, before they went into this family feud, depraved
Family Feud is
schadenfreudic menace, like
Yeah,
I
at
don't
one point
know.
I was like, The Amazing Race was the one of the best shows to sit and watch. Like it was exciting to watch that show.
Because you
And then
still
you
have, say, a
realize,
Top Gear or a Hunt or a what we're now calling the Grand Tour. It still
hmm,
has that same flavor that these three guys bring to it. Whether you look at, say, a Bourdain who did a travelogue, or you look at any of these, but this
but
de-evolution.
Bro,
Baba,
a big contributor is the need for poverty porn.
yeah,
ठीक है कि अरे I am participating in this show and if like Indian Idol रहते everybody remembers वो एक painter था,
mm,
right? Because they would milk as much as possible. Obviously, it's a rags to riches success story, so anybody would like to watch it. But after a point, a lot of the shows just became about that.
oh 100%, dude.
Not to say that the people weren't talented, they were, but it was also
hmm,
कि talent तो दिखाएंगे लेकिन तुम्हें पूरा निचोड़ेंगे हम बाकी.
Dude, ये एक KBC में I realized that when this started happening with KBC, and it was very strange to see because KBC used to be a very cut and dried, clean quiz show where you had contestants, fastest finger first,
yeah.
they came on the hot seat, they played for questions, they left. That was it. बीच में hooter
Hmm.
बजता था. That was it.
No, and there was that
Oh,
one conversation, आप किसके साथ आए हो? That's it.
Sure. And then
No,
one
and there
Mataji
was
would be
that one
sitting.
yeah,
thing
that
where
was the
excited
Amitabh Bachchan's crowd work.
excited contestants who would win fastest finger first would come to Amitabh and give him food. ये मेरे दादी ने आपके लिए भेजा है.
Yeah.
अमित जी, हाँ, अरे thank you बड़े घी whatever.
No.
नहीं खाने वाला है, तेरा खाता.
Varun. So, there used to be like times when he used to be like, अच्छा तो आप आ गए हो, जीत गए हो. हाँ सर, ये देखिए मैंने हलवा लाया आपके लिए. And he used to be like, अरे हलवा, very nice, मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. And then he used
बहुत
to be
पसंद है
like,
हलवा, मैं
नहीं,
पीने वाला हूँ.
तो then he used to be like, तो
बहुत
आप कहाँ
पसंद
से आए हो? मैं विशाखापट्टनम से आया हूँ, 3 दिन लगे ट्रेन में. अच्छा 3 दिन लगे, okay.
This halwa is clearly fresh. ये हलवा fresh.
इसमें मिट्टी की खुशबू है. No, I mean literally मिट्टी की खुशबू.
कहीं रास्ते में गिरा दिया था क्या?
लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा खा के देखता हूँ सर. अच्छा, अरे वाह. अमित जी नहीं. अरे अभी तो मजा आ गया. अमित जी प्लीज.
So no, but so they used to have that, right? That was the whole show. Then in the middle, right, around the whatever 8th or 9th season, half the episode was about who this contestant is.
Backstory.
Yeah, when was he born? What are his parents? And then it's like, man, that's not what I'm watching this for, right? I want where are the questions? And by the time he came to the first question, अरे हूटर बज गया, चलो आप जाइए
अरे
वापस.
अभी अच्छा आपके आंटी के बारे में बताइए. अमित जी मेरी आंटी है. अच्छा अभी और कोई बच्चे आपके स्कूल की कुछ स्टोरीज बताइए. अमित जी बट वो क्विज ऑफिस कैसे चल रहा है, बाकी सब ठीक. अमित जी that's not the point.
Amit ji
I
also.
actually-
Hello and
Oh.
welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So,
अमित जी 29 मिनट्स हो गए, ठीक है. प्लीज मुझे सवाल पूछे, ठीक है. माननीय महोदय, आपका पहला सवाल है. अफसोस
Oh, अफसोस.
पॉवर्टी पॉर्न हम कल फिर से लेके आएंगे आपके लिए.
आपके
अभी
लिए.
आप अपने नानी की कुछ स्टोरीज याद रखिएगा.
I want
Dude,
just once in
there's,
KBC. Sorry,
हाँ.
I just want once in KBC for one of the contestants to just go like, अरे मेरा इससे भी सैड है यार. अमित जी पूछो तो सही मेरे को एक बार. please.
But by
Yes,
Kautuk,
बताओ.
we can't talk about this and not talk about the amazing sketch we wrote for one of our shows. We did a show called The List and Kautuk used to write and I was acting. उसमें हम लोग ने एक reality shows के ऊपर एक sketch बनाया था, ठीक है. The show is it's a singing competition और 3 judges और अलग अलग टाइप के contestant आ रहे हैं, ठीक है. तो एक तरह वो hard working, एक ये
Talented one, the hard working one.
the hard working one. फिर there one was the guy who came to the wrong show. तो वो ये डांसिंग ये डांसिंग शो था और ये आया था एज अ सिंगर. तो वे लाइक सर आप गलत शो में आ गए. नहीं मेरी अंधी माँ, विधवा बहन, लूला लंगड़ा बाप. नहीं ठीक है आप बॉम्बे आ रहे हैं.
आप बॉम्बे यार.
but one sec, I remember this. Where was this sketch?
This
On
was
MTV
In the
Indies.
list. Bloody you were
No, but
doing it.
Baba, it doesn't end there, ठीक है? तो
I
ये
remember it now because I know indies.
ये सिंगर डांस शो में आता है, सैड स्टोरी बोल के बॉम्बे पहुंच जाता है, फिनाले में परफॉर्म करता है. Okay, and there are much more talented singers who are singing and dancing, whatever. But the end winner is the guy with the sad story. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Because he can milk it. So he gets so overwhelmed, उसको heart attack हो जाता है. ठीक है?
Oh shit.
और वो मर जाता
और वो मर जाता है.
and the sketch ends with guys.
I'm the host, okay?
Yeah,
The
sketch
sketch
ends
ends
with
with अरे हटाओ इसको.
no, so Varun goes like, okay, that brings us to the end of another scintillating season. ठीक है, we'll see you next season. अच्छा चलो इसको निकालो यार.
इसको हटाओ यार.
Ultimate Dancing Megastar की महाखोज. It was the name of the show.
Dude, how is it that I don't remember it? Because I think I only commissioned this, so I'm not getting it.
Bro,
Like,
हम लोग ये स्केच पे लिखते वक्त और शूट करते वक्त और उसके बाद अकेले में और कौतुक देखते वक्त इतना हंसे because we met these people who are acting in the sketch also, right?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Outside, it was crazy.
bro, ये basement में shoot किया था क्या?
नहीं.
This is a proper like
proper shoot.
yeah legit.
Bro, मैंने
ये तो
commission
set
किया,
लगेगा
मेरे
ना
को
इसके
याद ही नहीं आ रहा है.
But you know, I
नहीं
think
किया commission.
I think
No,
Gauri,
so
Gauri.
what?
Gauri.
Gauri Swami.
Okay.
So what Neville spoke about right now is an actual there's an actual term for it apparently. It's called network decay or channel drift. When a television network previously noted for its scripted programs abandons it for unscripted reality programs. So this is called network decay.
But I
Yes,
also
which is
think,
why MTV, which stands for Music Television, is
Yeah.
getting people to sit on a bike.
no, but also like
There's no
there is-
music.
just like what Baba was saying, right? Ki it started with like sensible reality shows, and now it's just ki bat se marunga. So what happened? And
Sir, I'm sorry, I forgot what was the point of this task.
It's-
Sir, please. मेरा vertebrae
क्या
नहीं है,
है?
sir.
Sir, क्यों कर रहे हैं सब?
बोल तू इंडिया का रॉ एजेंट बोल सर.
Sir, मैं reality show contestant हूँ.
You think Raghu and Rajiv get confused what reality shows they're doing?
But
Okay.
it'd be hilarious if this guy, while he's getting beaten by his man, अरे मैं reality show contestant हूँ, मेरी अंधी माँ विधवा है.
और अब मैं लूला.
अब मैं लूला.
रोटी बनेगा तू, रोटी बनेगा.
So the point
अदर
is,
एक तीसरा ही sketch लिख रहा है लेकिन side में.
हाँ.
But bro, once you get beaten up by a bat so much for a task, you are living on the edge.
dude, you aren't
You are
living on the
barely
edge.
living.
You
You
aren't
are
living.
beaten by the edge.
You are not living only.
Edge
So-
and take it. Ah.
So the point I was making was that everything goes through this process of desensitization, right? Where you get bored of the thing, and then you have to have higher and higher degrees of like more and more extreme stuff happening for you to even enjoy it. So it happens with porn, for example, right? You start with like missionary, and then you end with like a horse. So no, I mean like it happens to people. So
Yeah.
क्या
But
कर रहा है बे
that's-
कौतुक तू आजकल?
क्या देख क्या?
but that's how it works. The reason those categories exist is because there is a process called desensitization.
Can
So
I
the
explain
same
to you
thing-
what you just did with that journey?
Huh.
Adar went from ha, which is his regular agreement, to Adar
No,
went
so-
from ha to that.
Correct, but that's what is happening even with reality shows. Jidhar ab agar तेरे को if you show people a thing where you're like hey we'll give you money and answer questions, people are like hut, I've already seen a show जिधर वो बैट से उसको पढ़ रहा है, तो तू मेरे को उससे ज्यादा कुछ दिखा. So we're going to end like this is going to end with someone dying on TV, and it's going to be filmed.
वही
And
तो
people will
show
be like,
था ना. There was some reality show, right? That
No.
there was a death that occurred on set of that reality show, if I'm not mistaken. I had heard about this, or maybe I'm just.
dude,
I don't
there-
know, but I mean, no, I'm saying you look at it for
Baba, you're right, Varun. There was a thing. I don't know if we did this on the podcast, but we did this on the crime one. But what had happened was, like an ambassador for some country was killed by two people. Okay, they poisoned him, and when the police interrogated them, they said that, oh, fuck, he died because we were told we were on a reality show. So that has happened. That's fucking crazy. Can you believe that?
Look at how excited Kautuk gets with these fucking crime scenes, dude. It's very scary.
No, I
हम
was
लोग
thinking,
इसके किस्मत में खून लिखा है.
dude, no, I was thinking,
इसके किस्मत में खून के बारे में पढ़ना लिखा है. He enjoys reading about it. I don't think Kautuk
No,
is
no,
going to
no.
go as
अरे
far as to
other
pause.
explanation, Max.
no,
That is
but
not going to happen. I really feel Kautuk will not commit murder. Neville, your ideas of this
तू
is
why are
not
we
right.
fighting? दूसरा शो है, तू उधर करना वो.
no, the point I was like, the reason I got excited was because like that one anecdote tells you so much about reality show culture.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
two people are totally willing, you know, if you went up, like two people like were told by random producers ki, here, go take this, jab it into somebody, and they were like, yeah, sure, it's a reality show. Right? That's
Yeah,
the culture we live
I'm saying if you look at just the what is that show, the Black Mirror. If you look at Black Mirror, where they had a reality show like uh like a like whatever that genre is called.
Everybody
What
was
is it?
roaming around, yeah, there with their phones
So
on that one particular person, yeah.
no, there was one about a show where you had to sort of cycle or whatever it is.
Yeah, yeah,
And I
yeah.
think that I think
Oh, yeah.
all of them are sort of crazy in that thing. There was also somebody who live streamed their own suicide or something like that. Yeah, there have been people who've done that. There have been people who've
Yeah,
live
that
streamed
that
their own.
is it's quite
Multiple people.
more than one incident about that
Yeah.
happening of
So-
that happening.
So I don't know. I also don't know what impact it is having on the psyche of generations that are coming. So there's always this
Instant
one
fame has
generation.
been a biggest issue, bro. That is
No,
that is the
But
like-
Varun, दो चीज है ना. एक चीज है, it's like that whole generation that was born into cell phones. Kids
Yeah.
today, any kid born today doesn't conceptually understand what a landline is.
No,
Yes.
but Baba,
And-
you're right about the
and
point
so-
you're making.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So they are, so there is this entire generation that has not transitioned through that.
But Baba, what you got the right point, and the extension of that is that what you're basically saying is that we've grown up with the cell phones. What that means is that you're used to broadcasting yourself. You're used to broadcasting every life event, and for some people, death is also an event that they want to share with their friends or whatever. So it's and it'll directly lead into
I
more
just
reality show
feel
type things happening.
even in a generation that was not born into cell phones, was introduced to it at age 10, 15 or whatever, right? Like after living a certain time with only landlines, when our need, that generation's need for instant fame was catapulted to such a level, imagine the extent to which it can go right now.
Yeah,
where
that's
anyway, part of life is showing
Broadcasting
yourself to everybody, broadcasting everything. So you can go crazy with, like, if you give reality show producers a leeway in terms of how much boundary you can push, you will get some actual Black Mirror shit.
Yeah.
fully.
It's not just that, but I had another point, Kautuk, Varun, which I was coming to, which is to say, if you look at what for this pre-cell phone generation, for the lack of a better example, that's something that we're going with. For this pre-cell phone generation, you needed to be good / great / excellent at something to be able to achieve fame of any type. You could not achieve fame. I mean, you were either famous or you were infamous. So you were either a murderer
But
and
now
you had to be
there's-
excellent. And
but
you had to be
exactly.
excellent at murder. Like to be able
No,
to
but
get
so
fame.
Baba,
Right?
you know something. So what you said, right? Famous and infamous. Now the thing is that line has completely gone away.
It's gone.
So the thing is, there was this beautiful line, this quote that I'm paraphrasing, but there was a studio executive, okay, and she was talking about who she considers is a hero, okay, and she says that a hero is somebody who does something that other people cannot do. Okay, now that on that spectrum is a firefighter
Everything. Yeah.
and
exactly.
a serial killer.
Yeah.
So both of them are heroes just by virtue of doing something that other people can't.
Which
So-
is where the whole anti-hero sort of thesis also came. And I don't mind that in stories when you're writing grey characters. And the problem is reality TV does not reflect real people. It creates the reality that is real. You know what I'm saying? So,
Reality
and it's sort
shows
of push.
is the most scripted thing you'll ever see.
Yeah,
Having
I
Yeah,
been
mean,
behind the scenes
it's
for
scripted
one,
and contrived. Like it's like scripted and edited to like fit
Yeah.
this
and it's
weird
also
narrative
brought
that they want.
correct, and it also pushes it pushes the empathy meter all the way for you to connect to it at almost every level. It's like little bits of dopamine that are being so focused and so sharply targeted to your brain, saying, I know you will enjoy her saying bhenchod, and I know you will enjoy this slap,
you'll
and I
enjoy
know
this
that you will,
fight. You'll
yeah, you will enjoy this, because it sort of appeals to the worst in us, right? And that's really where it is. But if you look at the pre-generation, without that cell phone, without that internet, without that thing, you had to either be really good at good things or really good at bad things to come on television.
Yeah.
You had to be great at Bonvita quiz contest. You had to be thing. There were lucky people who came on phone calls with radio jockeys, and आज हम कॉल कर रहे हैं कानपुर के शर्मा जी के साथ जो बताएंगे हमें whatever. अच्छा आपके, and there also it was always achievement, things that you were proud of, right?
Bawa, you
Mm.
might be onto something else in terms of explaining this extreme phenomena. Why is reality show getting extreme, right? So
Mm.
reality show is getting extreme. So one other theory I have is कि 20-30 years back, media was controlled. Okay? There were finite outlets. You had fewer mediums, and within
course.
those mediums, you had fewer channels. So whatever you broadcast would be guaranteed be seen by everybody. Now that there is so much media, you have to do something extreme to get noticed.
Yeah.
We've already seen there's hundreds of channels playing quiz shows, so you got to do something where it's a fucking
It's a
extreme thing
quiz
that's
show with
happening.
a lion. Like if you lose,
Yeah,
a
you lose,
lion
you
will
get eaten
bite
by a
your,
lion.
yeah. So the lion keeps getting closer the more points you lose. तो एक आदमी का पैर तो काट लिया.
क्या क्या आप इस शेर से तेज हैं?
हाँ,
नहीं, क्योंकि वो शेर है और मैं हूँ.
कौन बनेगा तंगड़ी कबाब?
Also, Adar, so much for giving away your copyright to somebody who is going to now make this.
But guys, I think
Yes, share.
we say a lot about, reality show contestants are like this. Reality show contestants want this. So their need for wanting to be famous and blah blah. But what are they feeding? They are also feeding another insatiable animal, which is Janta, who likes to watch.
Yeah.
Janta who likes to sit back and say that ये देख क्या चूती है. Oh, वो देख, that guy is so ew. Oh, dude, he's so dumb. Oh, that he's so Ellis. Better है ना? What do people do? What do people do when they sit and watch reality shows? Especially not the talent kind. I'm not talking about Indian Idol and all of that. I'm talking about the other spectrum.
Roadies.
No, that's what
It's
I think the
us-
talent.
Us feeling a sense of superiority, feeling a certain this of, oh, मैं ये चूतियों जैसा नहीं हूँ.
Yeah.
And which is why we want to watch even more of it. So you feel better about yourself. Not just that, you get this innate happiness in seeing other people fuck up, other people fight.
Oh boy.
Yeah, because we went from looking up to people to looking down on people. In the middle somewhere, we went from I want this to be we went from looking up to people like idols and stuff like that, like musicians, whatever, dancers, to I find this guy relatable, which was the poverty porn and stuff like that. Like, I also go through these problems. He's from a middle class family. To now, a cat chutiya. So it's gone from that to like an extreme low. Like we've really gone from looking up to
but
looking down.
it's almost dual pronged or even triple pronged, because all of those narratives are still there. If you sit through a casting of any reality show, you will see what stories are the most interesting, what stories are the most empathy pulling, what stories seem like the most ridiculous, the most
outlandish,
ludicrous, the most outlandish, that's the right word, for this casting. But when they do a video diary or when they do a backstory, they try to put in as much as वो भी तुम्हारी तरह पैदा हुआ, वो भी तुम्हारी तरह फैमिली के साथ था. The nuances that you want from normalcy.
But you know something?
Okay, I'm gonna drop a tidbit like backstage fact about. I'm not gonna say which reality show. You guys are assumed like you guys can assume whichever one, but I can't say. but apparently they psychoanalyze the contestants before and they actually
Yeah.
see which ones are the most volatile before. It's a legitimate, there is a therapist whose job it is, who got a degree
That
and is now
explains so
dedicated
much.
his life to fucking people's life up by putting them in specific situations
You
together.
know something? I feel like reality shows follow the same logic that circuses do. You don't go to the circus to see a lion do a trick. You go to the circus in the hope that the lion is going to eat
Eat
the lion
somebody.
tamer. Yeah.
Each
Yeah.
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 No, and it's not.
And it's his
By the way,
job to
the
keep that fear alive.
Yeah.
And that's constructed by
part of the
him. So
act.
you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
right. I'm
And
pitching my show. I'm pitching the
but
share. तो
but also
आंसर
other
करने को शेर खा जाएगा.
your point of psychoanalysis is absolutely true. So this while the psychoanalysis is happening, there is also a psychological mapping that's happening, that which contestants together will create the most volatility, which
Yeah.
once you are put into the situation that you are put into, there is another executive producer that's running the room where the tapes are running almost live,
Yeah. Yeah.
and then live to tape the arc is decided on an
Linear.
almost everyday editorial meeting. It's an
Hmm.
editorial process to show you
Dude,
what they want to show you.
dude,
But isn't that against like a doctor's thing, like your therapy? Like imagine you got your degree in this and now you're consulting for this particular TV channel where your entire
hey,
job
Adar.
is to put people in the most
Other, let's not
volatile.
talk about
No, no, no.
ethicalities.
Other. It's a beautiful strategy because
Hmm.
you get paid by the channel to put these guys through this shit, and then you get a
when they
client.
come back,
Yeah. But since we're on this topic, let's, and from whatever experiences we've had, there's a certain process behind every reality show, right? Where you'd see relationships a lot of times are faked, right? You
Hmm.
have this, which is your ringmaster, is your EP who will find the right mix of people to create
Right.
that dhamaka that's going on. You shoot hours and hours of content and put only one thing that fits the channel's narrative towards a certain, not the
or
channel,
whatever
but
arc
the
you're
shows.
building at that point
Yeah.
to drop. Yeah.
Yeah.
If even like half the things you'll see on it that are supposed to be real are actually fake. You know, any of the phone calls that happen, for example, right? They are all fake. I'll give you one other example. The clincher for a lot of the reality shows is the video diaries that you have.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
piece to cameras, right? So you see action happening. Then Varun comes and says that other is a fucking asshole. You know, I really wanted to hit him at that point. That juxtaposed with the actual footage makes it, oh, fuck, full dhamaka. मेरे साथ क्या
Yeah,
हुआ
that's-
तेरे को बता
But
दो.
they also,
So
Hold
that's
on,
why
hold on,
when an
hold on.
intelligent person,
they curate it for that reaction.
Exactly, and that's what I'm getting to. This happened with me when we were doing a specific show. Again, I won't say which show. Okay, उसपे कुछ तो scene हुआ था. So when I'm doing my video diaries, that usually happens after the shoot, where everybody sat and seen, okay, ये scene हुआ है. Now I need to ask Varun questions about that spat he had with Baba, that conversation he had with Kautuk, and the sense of this that he had with Adar. And I'll structure the question like that. मेरे को सवाल
Yeah.
पूछा, right? I'll change names. मेरे को सवाल पूछा था, when did you feel like punching Adar?
Wow.
You see the thing. When did you feel like punching Adar? So
Yeah.
my
Yeah, it's a
response
leading
is
question. Yeah.
all fucking leading questions. So I said, maybe when he said that thing about vegan food, I didn't like it, right? But they'll be like, no, answer the question as I felt like punching Adar when he spoke about vegan food. मैंने एक बार बोल दिया सीधा
Right.
cut, take, put, boom. So
Perfect.
something has happened in the footage where Adar and I have had a tiff. Cut to next video diary or the next piece to camera is Varun saying, I wanted to punch Adar then.
No, and
And
that is
It's a
but
very basic example.
very basic example. What they
करने के लिए
will
तुम
do,
लोग बहुत करते हो.
yeah, what they will do. I mean, it's gotten so it's so beautifully sort of orchestrated to curate that moment where they will get you to a fight about something else altogether. It'll be a fight about something else altogether.
अरे फैबुलस लाइव्स में था ना ये चीज जिधर वो प्रोमो काटा है ऐसे दिखाने
yeah,
के लिए
yeah,
कि
promo, yeah.
Neelam and her husband have had a huge fight and she's
Right,
crying.
yeah, crying, yeah.
Turns out she's crying because Shahrukh said something to her.
yeah.
But ठीक है चलो let's go.
Yeah, fuck that last episode.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
correct.
It's just the out of context nature of things that sort of work for them.
Okay, so let's do one thing. There is a bunch of fucking crazy motherfucking reality shows out there. All right, I want to tell you about one called Born in the Wild. All right, here's what Born in the Wild is about. This series was inspired by a 2013 YouTube video where a woman gave birth outdoors. That video now has 79 million views at the time when this article was written. And
Still
it
not Chotu ke Golgappe.
yeah, and it follows families who chose to experience childbirth in nature. And the press release for this thing was, what happens when the craziest experience of a woman's life becomes truly wild and soon to be parents decide to take an unassisted birth in the outdoors.
What the fuck?
This is a real show.
I'll tell you what happens. The lion from other show comes and eats the baby.
But
Dude,
dude,
I don't even...
I mean, who this is another extreme. I feel like one other thing that reality shows do is that they'll be like, okay, here's a crazy fucking idea or a crazy visual or a crazy event, and we're going to document it, and you're going to watch it only because you would never get to see this otherwise, right? It's just
You know,
a
which is
bizarre
also, I
fucking
think, the
thing.
fallacy of, I think that's like how you have great stories, and great stories have a lot of meat, and you can juice it out a lot because of characters, because of plots, because of whatever. I think that's also true for reality shows, and the really good formats stand the test of time. But if you do Born in the Wild, तो Born in the Wild का 2 सीजन से ज्यादा क्या करेगा?
For sure.
You know what I'm saying? तू एक डेढ़ सीजन खींच पाएगा, मतलब फिर तू कुछ और उसके बाद एक हाथी का बच्चा मम्मी को पैदा कर रहा है, ऐसा
Dude,
कुछ उल्टा
but
बर्थ
also,
करेगा.
can you imagine like
और उसके
being
वीडियो
these-
डायरी होंगे, हाथी जब भी आपकी मम्मी बोल रही थी आपको कैसा
It's not that. It's
wow,
No,
wow,
but-
you have a good elephant.
but also
Yeah.
this dude, like you're you
I
are
have a good
expecting
trunk.
parents.
Huh, sorry.
You're expecting parents, and you have to now out like not just keep track of your baby and pregnancy and all of that, but also keep a film crew updated. And the minute you feel like your baby is going to come out, you have to be like, hey, let's go to Borivali National Park now. And call the cameras.
But you know, the
Oh,
one thing
God.
the show started doing is you have the show as done, कौतुक अपना जो भी था ये, right? As done by regular adults. अभी क्या करे फाइट हो गया, उनको जंगल में डाल दिया, बाइक पे बिठा दिया, उन लोगों को घर में लॉक कर दिया, ये कर दिया, वो प्राइज मनी बढ़ा दिया, everything. Then the same thing, but now as done by 10-year-olds.
Yeah.
Right? All your
Yeah.
singing, dancing, talent, blue,
Junior,
blah.
just add junior to the
Quiz.
title.
Yeah, just put a kid in there, right? Which, like in a Bonvita quiz contest, I'd be like, fuck yes. Right? But उनको तू बाकी talent वालेंट शो में जाएगा, तू कभी behind the scenes जाके देखा है वो बेचारे बच्चों पे क्या गुजरती होगी?
Dude, I mean, again, sorry,
It's
I
hell.
can't talk
Yeah.
about a lot of stuff that happens to child artists in terms of like just the trauma that comes from being a child artist, because there's so much pressure, and in some cases the parents aren't helpful. Like I mean, sometimes genuinely I've seen parents who are to blame
For sure.
for the trauma on the child,
For sure.
because like I've just seen them behave so badly. It's almost it's heartbreaking. It's heartbreaking.
Like behaving badly with the child, or just like behaving badly with the producers, etc., etc.
No.
and then, like,
Kid.
Like putting so much pressure on the child to sort of like, okay, I'll tell you one story just to put it in context, and this is probably the meekest, mildest story that I can tell you. Okay. We were shooting something, and this kid had to run literally, like, just not a long distance. The kid had to run from point A to point B, and the distance would be about 10 meters. Yeah, not more than that. 12 meters, right? So about 1 take, 2 takes, 3 takes happened, and the kid sort of came back. So the AD, out of just goodness, said, "Beta, aapko pani chahiye kya?" Right? And you know what his answer was? His answer was, "नहीं नहीं, मैं ठीक हूँ, मुझे थकना allowed नहीं है." This is an 8-year-old saying,
Yikes.
"मुझे थकना allowed नहीं है." So I'm saying in some cases, it's just these parents have just made it hell for the child. It's hell.
Yeah, and very few, by the way, like very few child artists survive that period of their lives without have it
Yeah,
having
yeah,
a very
yeah.
negative impact on their overall well-being as they grow up. Very
Absolutely.
rarely does it happen. But let's go from children to unborn children. There is a there is a show where on national television you get to find out, okay,
Do you
in
have a
front of
boy or a girl?
cameras. No, you get to find out
No,
whether
that's too
the
simple.
child of your wife is your child or not.
Oh, I was dreading
What is this, Jerry Springer?
No,
this Jerry Springer or one of.
I forget which
Oh.
what
Which
the
used to
thing
be
is.
a young Varun's guilty pleasure show.
Yeah, dude, and like
Jerry Springer बहुत
Actually,
देखता
this
था मैं.
used to be a
छुप छुप
Russell
के देखता
Peters
था
joke.
Jerry Springer.
This used to be the Russell Peters joke where he's like, why do Americans feel like all Muslims are terrorists? Because I've seen Muslims, they're the most mundane, mild people, like when he went to Dubai or some shit. So it's like because I think the terrorists are shown videos of only Jerry Springer. So then they're like, Americans are bloody stupid. So they're seeing the worst of America, and Americans are seeing the worst of
Which
that
is
side.
also made up because half
Yeah.
those stories were so fucking outlandish.
Yeah.
That, oh, I'm going to come out to my husband that I'm cheating on him with who? With a guy who dresses up as a duck. And then all three of them are on stage where this guy who's dressed up as a duck is fondling this woman and the husband's angry. So he
Oh.
comes and tries to beat him up or public udhar बैठ के ताली मार रहा है.
Jerry.
That was the fucking thing. Right? In fact, dude, we can't talk about reality shows and not talk about Truman Show.
Mm,
Yeah.
Like
mm.
the
By far the
ultimate
best.
and can't even believe कि 90s में बना दिया था bro ये picture.
Dude,
Right?
what-
Like
But bro, जब Truman Show बना था, तब didn't you get this feeling like several
that you
times
were
where
also
like,
in it.
yeah, dude, no, and you got
What
it
was
even
it?
before
Kautuk
they
Singh?
made it. That
What
you
And
were
you were
also,
also like Truman Show was happening to you as well. That
But
your world was
before-
also a simulation.
but before the Truman Show, like when Truman Show happened, it only freaked you out more because you were always thinking about this, like, what if someone's watching me all the time? And then it would, when
No,
it happened,
So Baba, there's a they after this movie came out, they named the condition after the movie. Like there's a literally a Truman show condition where people feel like they're on a reality show. That what is happening to them is not real life. Like it's not real life. So their friends are actors. They are being filmed. Their life events are all scripted, and they go through life like this, dude.
bro, and it's crazy how reality shows की बात करें तो we can't, obviously we have to talk about Donald fucking Trump, right? उसका पूरा जिंदगी
Oh, it's
reality
just called
show है,
Truman
to a
syndrome,
point where
apparently.
he's
Yeah.
making America live through their biggest reality show
Yeah, dude. his
ever. What
presidency.
if you take a reality show star and make him the president?
Yeah.
Show idea. Dude, ultimate, right? Ultimate
Yeah.
threatening nuclear war as if it's no biggie.
also
I
known
wouldn't
as
be surprised if
Designated
he had
Survivor.
been filming the last 4 years and now it's going to be this epic documentary series that is about to come out for him
Dude,
to
at
make
the end of
$300
this,
million.
the four guys from Impractical Jokers are going to come out and go, haha, gotcha.
No, Baba,
Mm.
Baba. This footage is going to come out and it will be called the East Wing, which will be the bizarro world of the West Wing. Not
Oh,
written by Aaron
God.
Sorkin, starring Donald J. Trump.
What's hilarious
You're
is that
fired.
there is an East Wing
You're
in the White House.
Yeah, of course
there
there
is.
Oh,
There
really?
can't be
you
a
thought
West Wing
you
without
thought there
it.
was only a West Wing.
West Wing.
हाँ, East है ही नहीं. आधा है
Ah,
सिर्फ.
no, there's an East room, so there couldn't be a wing in the East. It could just
So
be a room.
I found another list of like weird reality shows. Okay, और अभी link खुल रहा है, लेकिन the first title is Finding Bigfoot.
अरे
जो
dude,
2011 से अभी तक चल रहा है.
क्या हो रहा है ये?
Finding
वो
Bigfoot
उसका
has been a hit.
चल रहा है. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Dude,
then-
but there's also these Ghostbusters and Mythbusters and tornado chasers and firefighters and hunters of fire.
and fucking Americans are crazy. Doomsday.
Oh my God,
Preppers.
sorry, Doomsday Preppers. But wait, you know the ultimate fucking reality show that has done some fucking 30 odd seasons? Cops.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But that's been America's
Bad
fascination
boys.
with
Yeah.
cops and like live cops
And law
shows
enforcement. Yeah.
was insane, bro. It started with your nightly news going
Yeah.
on raids.
Bad
with cops,
boys,
right?
bad boys,
और
bad
उसके बाद
boys.
मैं कुछ और ही हो गया. By the way, I just found a show. It's called, listen to this. It's called Vanilla Ice Goes Amish.
Yeah.
Hilarious.
This fall, pop icon and knockout home renovator Rob Van Winkle, aka Vanilla Ice, will travel deep into the largest Amish settlement in the United States while on a quest to learn the lost art of hand craftsmanship. That was a fucking show.
Ah,
Dude,
Dude, do you know that Virgin Music, or was it Virgin Music or was it something else? Chat बता दो हम लोग को. ये हम लोग को एक chat बता दो नहीं, comments में बता देना, sorry. There was
Live
there's
हो
a
गया बाबा, अपन कर लिया.
no. So there was this one music label took pop icons of the 90s who sort of destroyed music and made them apologize to camera, dude, as part of their campaign. So like Vanilla
my
Ice is
God.
apologizing, so there are all these like, you know, like because of ding 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 ding, which is under pressure.
dude,
Like
India mein, you just have to get one guy to do
Baba
it. His
Sehgal.
name is Tanishq Bagchi, who has done the Masakali remix, who has done all these, like, he's taken iconic songs and just fucked them up.
Arey, but before that, though, there was the Jhankar Beats remix, so you can't blame Tanish Bagchi entirely.
yeah.
Yeah, but he's done the shittiest one.
और उनका काफी
Personal
personal
prejudice.
vengeance.
Personal prejudice.
I like Masakali,
Yeah.
dude. So
Yeah,
anyway,
but it's like that's what all music is, right? It's got to be subjective. So yeah, Kautuk is like perfectly entitled to hate it with absolution.
yeah.
Personal prejudice.
Dude, but
Itna.
we should also talk about Man versus Wild. Okay, a
Hmm.
show where a person who is
देखो,
very, very, very able decides, fuck it, I want to go out in the
आज
forest.
मैं सुबह को मंकी यूरिन पीऊंगा. क्यों?
Yeah.
क्यों?
Yeah.
Why not?
बेर. एक तो साले का नाम बेर.
Bear.
ठीक है, मतलब बेर.
Bear Grylls.
तू
And
सुबह
grills.
एक मंकी का यूरिन क्यों पिएगा? तेरे सामने क्रू है जो तुझे शूट कर रहा है. उन लोग भी मंकी का पी रहे हैं. नहीं. ठीक है,
नहीं.
ये जो फेक लोन मैन सर्वाइवर वाला जो उन लोग ने, it's become a big scene, bro.
Bro, and
Yeah.
the biggest bust of this whole thing is the fact, and many people have pointed this out, is the fact that, ठीक है, Bear Grylls is doing this, but dude,
उसके
the
साथ
real documentary is about a guy who's doing the same things he is along with a fucking camera. So
Yeah.
fuck you, Grills. That's the real hero.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
If you watch the most recent episode of Grand Tour, the Hunt one, please watch it. It's great. Okay, they make fun of Bear Grylls. So
Hilarious.
they're like, they basically in the middle of this survival is about adapt, improvise, whatever. So then they're like, so now I'm going to show you how to make dinner on a beach when you have nothing. So then they do all this, like, you dig a hole in the sand and then you take hot rocks. I normally would need to light this on fire, but I'm just going to borrow one from the crew. करके lighter लेता है, जलाता है. फिर उसके अंदर then you take this really tough caught salmon, which has been freshly caught from the sea, deboned and filleted specially, and then they put it inside. And now 36 to 48 hours later, we'll have it ready. Then cut to, they've got this fancy fucking fish with like vegetables and all on it, and they're like, you have to adapt and things like that. And then this guy comes, you want a coconut milk rum daiquiri, and he gives him a daiquiri, dude. And he's now drinking a daiquiri. Dude, क्या bits करता है bro वो लोग.
Dude,
फिर वो
you know when
adapt. फिर drunk होके बोलता है adapt, improve, improvise. Yeah, that's what I just did. ऐसा करके चल रहे हो लोग.
dude, when Man vs Wild happened with Narendra Modi,
Modi.
ji, right? So I tweeted this out saying ki, if you want to take Modi ji to an environment where he's uncomfortable, take him to a press conference.
press conference.
Yeah. Dude, Bear Grylls.
मोदी
I
जी,
think Bear
अक्षय
Grylls.
कुमार, रजनीकांत,
Yeah.
सब आए
Yeah,
उसमें
yeah,
ना. रजनीकांत भी आया
everyone's
था ना.
Yeah. Dude, Bear Grylls, I think, wanted to actually own a restaurant called Bear Grylls.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I think somebody told him, "Arey, nahi, bro, tu aisa, make it a foraging restaurant where you go out
तू
into the
कभी
forest."
earthworm खाया क्या breakfast पे? नहीं. क्या बेर?
So it's a foraging restaurant where like the people who are coming, उनको एक जंगल में छोड़ देते हैं, उनने जो पकड़ के
No,
लाया,
it's a
then the
foraging
chef will
restaurant,
cook.
except he's been foraging for 8 seasons. Like he's forgotten to come back to the
Dude,
restaurant.
also, I didn't see the Akshay Kumar one, but I'd be very disappointed if Akshay didn't go, एक second, Bear, तू बैठ इधर, मैं दिखाता हूँ
Yeah.
तेरे को. ये देख
Yeah.
पेड़.
और अक्षय प्लेन पे
देख-
लटक रहे हैं.
Yeah.
प्लेन पे लटक के
आज
बोनस
कुछ
कर रहे हैं.
तूफानी
रोके
करते हैं.
और पैर देख रहे हैं ये भाई अबे शो मेरा है
And he's like,
अक्षय समरसॉट मारता है और आके गिरता है
फिर अपने हाथ पे चलता है.
ये
Guys, I
अर्थवर्म
also-
है, इसको ऐसे काट और खाने का
now that I started talking about all this,
कुछ
then he'll be like, ये अर्थवर्म ने गांडुल है, गांडुल.
अरे खाऊंगा तो
So,
क्या करूं फिर?
the
क्या
thing
लड़की आ रही
about,
है?
अरे यार,
Ben, you're
बताओ ना बाबू भैया, बाबू भैया बताओ.
so the thing about,
भाई सब गोल
I just realized about, we've not spoken about cooking reality shows.
Yeah.
Was
And
it
some
real?
of them,
मेरे को एक
Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay, dude.
no.
Gordon
saying
Ramsay
that
का
there are-
ASMR है bro. Watching some of the Gordon Ramsay videos is full blown ASMR.
because he's giving you galis and saying mother chod on the,
नहीं लेकिन जिस
That's
तरीके
you,
से
Baba.
वो सब्जी काट रहा है ये डाल रहे ऊपर से ब्रिटिश
No,
एक्सेंट
but
मुझे
that's-
बहुत पसंद है
that's
देखो,
that's
एक-
bro, no,
But
you
I
want
love the
real
memes where
ASMR?
Gordon Ramsay with children
was-
versus Gordon
was-
Ramsay with adults.
That was
It's
Nigella
awesome.
Lawson, dude.
no
Look at
Nigella
Nigella
Lawson
Lawson
तो
was food porn, dude. Straight up.
ASMR
Yeah, that's not ASMR because your heart
Yeah.
rate is too high.
But तुम लोग ने वो
That's-
देखा है क्या? Gordon Ramsay with children versus adults.
No,
It's
no.
like night and day.
Yeah.
Like he's
Yeah,
encouraging,
because he's with-
he's nice to children.
you saw my point. We've done the same show with adults. What do we do now, sir? Where do we take it? एक काम कर बच्चे को डाल. Gordon Ramsay
Yeah,
ने
yeah.
वही करा.
No, but I'm saying if there are some food shows which are like if you watch the whole anything by like David Webb, right?
बाबा देख तू तो अच्छे वाले पे जाएगा ना पहले.
हाँ.
Chef's Table वो सब पे जाएगा ना. I don't want to kill your vibe then. Which is why
Yeah,
I'll
but-
quickly talk about Cook It Up
खाना
with
खजाना.
Tarla Dalal. ठीक है?
Oh.
जिसमें
But
जो
you
मेरा
don't
favorite
remember
था,
the first. You don't remember the
उसके साथ-
first food show that used to come on
खाना
Star
खजाना.
Wars.
खाना खजाना.
No.
Khana
the
Oh,
खजाना.
Good
first
Food Guide,
show-
Karen Anand.
No. The first one was if Yan can cook, anyone can.
Wow, dude.
You all don't remember Yan
अबे
can cook?
बूढ़े.
Yan can cook,
Dude, it
anyone
used to
can.
come. Dude, it used to come right before or after Small Wonder.
Small wonder यार.
Yeah, so it was
Small
right
Wonder
after
अच्छा है.
Small Wonder. And then
But anyway, I want to tell you about Cook It Up with Tarla Dalal. Okay, if any of you guys have watched it, वो शो था Tarla Dalal, this very cute Bavi auntie who used to cook food और उसका sous
Yeah.
chef.
dude,
होता था.
Tarla Dalal was not
She was Guju.
Bavi. She's Guju.
अरे who cares?
I care because Tarla Dalal was vegetarian.
Okay, still who cares? उसके
I
साथ
care.
उसके साथ sous chef था सुधांशु पांडे. ठीक है? Whose job throughout the 100 episodes that I've probably seen them together is amazed by ingredients. Okay, that was his entire role.
और
ये
ये
तो
है
sous chef
cardamom. Wow.
तो इसमें शक्कर वाह तरला चूतिया शक्कर है रोज डालता है खाने में. ये ए है लाल दाल. ओह लाल दाल. हम लाल दाल देंगे मुझे लगता है पीली होती है तो लाल है.
Why is Vicky's dad?
सुधांशु पांडे यही करे just amazed by
बेटा
basic
बेटा
stuff.
बेटा 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 तू हेलीकॉप्टर ला.
Yan Can Cook was basically a show where he would come and he would make these really simple things, but उसका सिर्फ ये कैच फ्रेज था और कुछ नहीं था वो शो में. एक कैच फ्रेज था
और खाना क्या मंगा लेना बाहर से.
और 20 मिनट का कुकिंग शो कैसा हो सकता है ये मेरे को कभी नहीं समझ आया. 20 मिनट में तू क्या दिखा रहा है? चाय बनाने को
एक
सिखा
तो
रहा
वो
है
सबसे
cooking.
चूतिया पट्टी है. ठीक है उन लोग 20 मिनट में दिखाएंगे ऐसी डिश जो
अभी हम
1.5 घंटा
इसको
लगता है
डालेंगे.
बनने में.
Yeah.
हाँ अभी हम इसको डालेंगे ओवन में एंड
और फिर time lapse.
हमारे पास लकीली हाँ नहीं वो ओवन में डाला और वहां पे नीचे वाले कंपार्टमेंट में एक और है. हमने पहले से 1 घंटे पहले ये डाली थी तो ये देखिए जस्ट आपको शो
अब
दिखाने
मेरे
के
को
लिए.
उसको बोलना चूतिया तेरे पास हाई ग्रेड मैं तवे पे कर रहा हूँ.
Correct.
मेरे को
हाँ.
दूसरा दे. But you know at the end of the cooking show thing, right? There used to be audience. You remember back in the 90s?
Yeah.
It's
And
not
everybody
audience.
would get to eat it. They would call
Get to
somebody.
eat it. ठीक है तो उन लोग खाने मिल रहा है एंड मैंने कैसे लगा तो क्या लगता है ये फुकटी है जो खाना देख रहे हैं इतना टाइम भूखे रहने के बाद बैठ लेंगे बोलेंगे नहीं पकवान है अच्छा नहीं लगा सब लोग
अभी अभी करेंगे गारंटी. इफ दे डू इट नाउ इट्स गोना बी दैट. इट्स गोना बी अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रोल्स हु विल कम टू द शो. ठीक ही है तरला जी.
लेकिन
Dude,
अफसोस
so
सरला जी
there
नहीं
was
है.
that. Then there was
yeah.
then there was Sanjeev Khanna. There were a lot
Sanjeev
of these
Kapoor.
like
Sanjeev Kapoor.
There were a lot of these like Indian chef shows that were disappointing.
Bawa sitting there going like,
I'm
इसमें
still I'm,
cilantro
I'm
नहीं
still
डाला है?
trying to get like people
साला अभी तक
to
मेथी
talk
डाल
and
रहा है
get.
खाने में. डाल
I'm
अरुगुला
trying
डाल.
my best right now to get like a boring tutorial done with Sanjeev Kapoor. I'm trying to get through to
Oh,
his
that'd be
people.
amazing.
I've still not had any luck, but
I feel like Sanjeev Kapoor will take offense. Like, he'll get the brief and he'll be like, क्या boring? मेरे को बोल रहा है boring? Fuck you, master.
आज हम खाने में बनाने वाले हैं लबाबदार मिर्ची. इसके लिए चाहिए आपको
एक लबाबदार
और एक मिर्ची और एक तवा जिसमें दोनों को डाल दोगे आप.
डाल दो.
खा के बताओ सुधांशु कैसे लगा. अरे तवा.
and I love the number of cups that they have. एक पहले नमक, फिर ये
That's
वैसे
true.
मंचूरियन ये सब
अबे
धोएगा
12
कौन?
लोग
तूने
ने तो
इतने
बैठ के उसको
ingredient-
काट के दिए
That's
सब
so
पहले.
fucking true.
कौन धोएगा बैठ के छोटे छोटे कटोरियां जो तुमने हर एक इंग्रेडिएंट के लिए निकाल के
अरे
रखे
इसके लिए लॉकडाउन के बाद तूने देखा नहीं है वन पॉट मील्स कितना बड़ा हो गया है.
अरे बाप one pot meals are the best.
Dude, one pot meal sounds nice until you start eating from the pressure cooker.
Dude, I'm telling you, I have done this for dinner. I'm like, मेरे को प्लेट धोने का नहीं है, मैं वैसे भी गरम कर लिया है, मैं इसी में खा लेता हूँ, और फिर इसी
The
को धो
food-
देता हूँ.
Imagine the journey of the food. It goes from a pot to a pot.
Oh no, Adarsh.
It just
And then it goes into our stomach and then goes into a pot.
अरे but that's what he meant.
But
Pot
that's
to
what he
a
meant.
pot.
Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Oh shit.
The
Sorry,
benefits of shooting at 2:30.
Oh.
Yeah, and the definite benefits of not having to edit this moment.
Oh,
Fuck.
God, the sugar is just the only.
No,
the,
no, okay, so
the
I'll
entire
quickly-
job with
I'll-
sugar is just to keep our eyes open, not to help our brains.
You know what? I'm also thinking that we've confused a lot of like documentary shows with with reality shows.
Oh wait, guys, I have the closing
Oh God.
closing
No,
show.
Then
Okay.
let me quickly talk about some food reality shows which you must watch, which are good. Okay. So I liked the Tom Colicchio Padma Lakshmi ka that initial few seasons of Top Chef. Okay, not Master Chef, Top Chef. Master Chef, I'm sure there are big fans
Australia,
of.
bro. Australia.
Yeah. So no,
Australia.
I've never been a big fan of MasterChef. I've been a great fan of Top Chef. But anyway, MasterChef also great in the beginning seasons and all of that.
ठीक है मैं बोलता हूँ उनको. ये देखो अच्छा लगा.
Correct. Now there's but apart from the David Lab and this whole saltwater acid fat or whatever, like I'm a big fan of the travelogue versions of it. So
Yeah.
Anything by Bourdain, bro.
Bourdain.
So if you can watch, forget no reservations and stuff. If you only can get your hands on Parts Unknown, na, just watch Parts Unknown. It's so great, dude. He and Barack Obama are sitting in a Vietnamese or a in a Vietnamese thing and in Hanoi and just having a conversation over a bowl of soup, dude.
Yeah.
Ah,
And
fart
disappointingly, the conversation wasn't
this is
about.
on Netflix. Parts Unknown is on Netflix.
Yeah.
It's not
so
on
it's quite
Netflix
easily
India.
available.
It's not on
Oh,
Netflix
Dude,
India.
imagine sitting
Zindabad.
sitting with the US president in Vietnam, going like, so
Yeah.
guys, that's 30 years ago, we wouldn't be doing this.
Yeah. No, but there was so many other, like I'm saying, even if you look at just his journey across whatever it is, no reservations, Parts Unknown, what was that one which he did, which was about the layover, which was conceptually a great show. Because layover was, I'm going from this city to this city, I have a layover in this city for 12 hours. So 12 घंटा में खाने का जगह ढूंढता था.
This is an idea that you can only come up with when you have done like Parts Unknown, where you're traveling so much that you're like, hey,
No,
Yeah.
Parts
beach mein bhi
Unknown.
kar
Parts
do.
Bro,
Unknown
why
came after.
end there?
Parts
You
Unknown
can
after.
shoot simultaneous 3 other shows. One is at the airport
Yeah,
का खाना.
airport
एक जो तू
meal.
प्लेन में खाने वाला है, एक उस पे. और अगर तेरे पास लॉयल्टी लाउंज वाउंज है तो एक उसमें भी 3 और शो बन गए.
No. So
तो एक फ्लाइट लिए 6 रियलिटी शो बन गए, bro.
Yeah. Sorry, but there are for a lot of people who keep asking me, how do I know what good food is? I'm saying watch like this kind of stuff. I'm not saying that everybody's taste palette will
Why are
change.
people
Kautuk
asking
still likes
you with
Maggi noodles.
why are people asking you with the condescension के why is what is good food? मतलब वो तो genuinely पूछ रहे हैं ना, which means they don't
मैं
know
कहाँ
what
उन
it is.
लोग की मजाक उड़ा रहा हूँ.
Why are they
मैं
being
बोल रहा हूँ-
condescending?
No, I'm just saying that कौतुक को अभी भी चाइनीज फूड पसंद है, तो वो कोई चेंज नहीं हो सकता, but at
Guys,
least you'll know.
Please ask me where
Dragon
the best sev puri
Chinese.
is. Yeah.
Yeah, Chinese
So,
bhel.
all right. So let's talk about, just because we've been shooting this at 2:22 a.m. Let's talk about this show called Shattered. Right, this was a 2004 UK show.
Is this a horror show?
No, contestants had
उससे
to
क्या? Why can't you talk about a horror show? Huh?
I will go on
Wow.
mute. Then you finish talking. Huh?
wow बाबा इतना फट्टू
Wow.
आदमी.
Part 2.
Contestants had to stay awake for 7 days and endure daily performance testing and a series of challenges. If at
You
any
will
point,
die, right?
yeah,
Like 7
exactly, which
days.
is
Yeah.
was dangerous.
मेरे को सुन के नींद आ रहा है.
So if at some point someone closed their eyes for over 10 seconds, money was deducted from their final prize. There is a current show on Netflix called Awake, the $1 Million Game, which is very similar. But dude, 7 days. And I
Are
think
you
I would
allowed to
have-
have coffee?
Yeah, I mean, I don't
The
know.
public
actually.
cocaine करके
the-
ज्यादा है, जा गए.
I think the only clause is no, but it's fatal, dude. 7 days is probably
7
fatal,
days is
dude.
fatal. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's also called my board exam because that's how I got through.
Yeah, but then you sleep in the exam, which is fine. But I'm saying either वो भी allowed नहीं है ना.
But you know the other thing that actually we failed to talk about, and that is that in reality shows you make prize money, right? But what many people don't know, and different countries have different tax cuts.
Taxation.
और प्राइम
Hmm.
Yeah.
इंडिया में 30% या
30
40%.
33%.
मैं 30% भरा था मिनट टू
33
मिनट. 33
33
होगा. मेरे को 30 लगा था. यूएस में 40 अप है.
Yeah.
So is in the UK. So if you're making 10 rupees, तेरा 4 रुपया तो वैसे भी गया है. 6 रुपये भी तेरे को immediately नहीं मिलेगा, तेरे को split करके आएगा. So there's a problem in the US where lot of times what happens is people who are ill-informed or not informed at all get the money. They don't put the necessary paperwork or file the wrong slab of tax and then
Correct.
end up in court.
Yeah.
तो उधर वो 7
Apparently,
दिन जागा है.
Survivor.
उसको 3
हाँ.
हार्ट अटैक हुआ है. वो मरने के जस्ट पहले वो प्राइज मनी जीता है और उसके बाद हो जाएगा कोर्ट में
जेल.
क्योंकि उसने टैक्स गलत फाइल किया है. और
दोस्तों
इसमें
दा-
बनेगा एक और रियलिटी शो जो ये सब फिल्म कर रहा है.
किसको
Dude,
मिलेगा पैसा?
the first winner of Survivor, this is that Survivor, the first Survivor
First
show.
Survivor.
Is
He
that
won $1 million and he did the same mistake. Right after Survivor, he spent 4 years in jail for tax evasion.
Wow,
Right
that
after
show
Survivor.
was a serious fucking show, dude.
Yeah,
Show के बाद jail.
fuck?
tax
Intense.
evasion.
Yeah.
सही है.
by
I
the-
think on that very grim note, this is the end of this episode of the Internet Set. So we were discussing reality shows. Obviously, there is a bajillion more.
Yeah.
that
ये
we
अभी
probably
disclaimer
missed out
देना
on.
बंद करना चाहिए.
So please let us know in the
Biggie
comments.
shoot.
What other reality shows you like or you think we missed out on, and we will read it.
One तो I can only tell you, Raz पिछले जन्म का.
कमजोर कड़ी
Or we
कौन?
should have done.
क्या आप 5वीं पास से तेज है? अरे मेन तो
क्या
अरे,
आप
भूल गए.
5वीं पास से
अरे
तेज
भाई,
हो?
अपन ने 10 का
10
दम
का
बोला.
दम.
10 का दम.
कितने
10
प्रतिशत
का दम.
No
लोग
go.
कहते हैं कि आप चुतिए हो.
Okay, bye.
Salmon. अभी आया कमेंट्स में. Salmon boy
Bear
mentioned
Grylls.
as 805.
Bear
Dude,
Grylls
हमने
is
Salmon
one
Boy
who
को
is eating
opening में
Salmon
mention कर
Khan.
दिया.
Oh God.
Oh wow, Salmon boy mentioned so early in the podcast.
Bye.
Nihilist.
Nihilist.
Nihilist chat. Okay, guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe on the channel. Push that bell icon. Push that like, subscribe
Are
button.
you
Tell
just
your
annoying
friends,
me,
tell your
Varun?
families,
What is
tell
push that?
everybody.
He stopped recording, I think.
नहीं record हो रहा है अभी तक.
अच्छा.
Guys, hygiene announcement is important.
Discord.
Please
Like,
follow our
share,
Discord.
subscribe.
I don't know what the
Discord.
fuck Discord does, but please follow it. We'll
I
Please
am
swipe
a
right on us
Discord
on Tinder.
dancer. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Hold up.
I am a Discord dancer.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye तो बोलो सब लोग.
Bye,
मैं
bye,
तो
guys.
4 बार बाय बोल चुका हूँ यार. Bye.